up people, how's it going? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. As you guys can see up ahead, it's raining quite a bit, and since the past few days, at least since the weekend, it's been pouring cats and dogs over here. So I hope all of you had a good weekend. Considering the weather, I hope all of you had a very nice stay indoors, if that is what you guys chose to do. Otherwise, some of us, like myself, I hope enjoyed the weather. So this past Sunday, since the weather was very compliant, I thought I'll head out and maybe chill and relax a bit outdoors. So I went to Anandgiri Hills. So those of you who haven't checked out the video yet, I'll link it up there. Do have a look. So unlike the first two times, I was able to capture the audio satisfactorily, and in many ways I felt that the Sunday Rides vlog was a significant improvement over the first two vlogs, the Sunday Ride vlogs. So if you though the ride conditions were significantly different, the road conditions, the wind blast were all different from the previous or the first two vlogs, but looking at the results, it somehow gives confidence that if we were to encounter such conditions, I think the setup should be able to perform relatively better. So the setup instills that confidence at the moment. So probably if the weather is better and road conditions are better, we'll get to test it out. So I'm hopeful and positive on that end. So let's see how things pan out. So the ride itself was quite enjoyable, even though it was pouring all throughout the ride. Even though it was pouring all throughout the ride, and my planning wasn't adequate enough. My phone didn't have adequate juice, and I was worried that I might not be able to record audio throughout the ride. And because it was raining and the road conditions weren't that great, I didn't have adequate batteries to accommodate the right time. So I was also worried that the GoPro would go off, but somehow I was able to manage, and there is a sense of satisfaction in that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, though there are like a lot of areas of improvement, but with the setup being robust, or with the setup giving confidence that it will perform each and every time, I think I can now focus on improving what I say. So if you guys have any thoughts on improvements, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll be glad to look into them the next time. So in addition to my ride over the weekend, Sir Richard Branson took off on his spaceship VSS Unity. So he, along with 5 other crew members, one of whom is of Indian origin, is a significant achievement, or rather a milestone achievement, because he's been at it since 2004, so that's roughly around 17 years. And along the way in 2014, one of the test flights had a fatality. So he and his team did overcome, quite a lot of challenges. So kudos to him and his team. And as of right now, it's open, for common folk to, book a ticket and go. So Elon Musk, I think, I read somewhere that, has booked a seat, and probably he paid a token amount of $10,000 US, and the ticket price is probably around $25 US. It's quite steep, but it's still early days, so things will only improve and get cheaper and cheaper. So by doing that, Sir Richard Branson beat out Jeff Bezos, by 9 days or so. Though there is one caveat here, so he didn't cross the Kármán line, which is the international recognized boundary, beyond which, it's acknowledged that space begins. So that's roughly 100 odd kilometers, and Sir Richard Branson probably flew, up to 88 kilometers or so. Nevertheless, I think it's a big achievement because up until now, usually it would take, decades of training, not decades, but years of training, and, millions of dollars of resources to get somebody in space. So by doing what he has done, perhaps they have made, space a little bit more accessible. So that's the crux of it. So maybe one day, I can get to go there. So that's the promise, or potential rather, this achievement has, that one day you and I can, go beyond the blue yonder and, experience space, look at our planet, have a different perspective, acknowledge the significance of life, etc., etc. So that's what I gather from what has transpired this weekend. So what do you guys think? I mean, does space travel interest you? Do you think it will be accessible to all of us in our lifetimes? And if so, does it, interest you guys? So do let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. So with that, I'll be signing off from today's vlog, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. So until then, peace out.